Working with layers. When you're working with an image having more than one layer, each layer operates independently with its own content. You can change one layer without affecting the other layers or the background of the image. When layered together, the contents of each layer combine to create a composite image. Creating layers. Photoshop allows you to create multiple layers in an image. Each layer is assigned with a default name and the default opacity is set to 100%. You can rename layers or change the opacity while you create the layer or at a later time. You can create layers using the new Layer dialog box or the Layers palette. Create a new layer. Using the dialog box method, you can create a new layer and change the layer name, opacity, color and mode. From the Layer menu, select New, go to Layer. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, or press Alt plus create a new layer on the Layers palette. The new Layer dialog box appears. In the Name text box, type the desired name. Click on OK button. The new layer appears on the Layers palette. Deleting layers. If you no longer need a layer or wish to replace a layer, you can delete it. If you delete a layer by mistake, you can retrieve the layer by using either the undo or step backward functions. Layers can be deleted by using the menu option, right-click option, or button option. Deleting layers, menu option. In the Layers palette, select the layer you want to delete. In the Layer menu, select Delete Layer option. A confirmation dialog box appears. Click Yes button. The layer is deleted. Deleting layers, right-click option. In the Layers palette, right-click on layer that you want to delete and select Delete Layer option. A confirmation dialog box appears. Click on Yes button. The layer is deleted. Deleting layers button option. In the Layers palette, select the layer you want to delete. Click on Delete Layer button. A confirmation dialog box appears. Click on Yes button. The layer is deleted.